In this video, I'll show you how to change the wallpaper, the theme of your Philips Roku TV. So you don't have the boring one that comes included with your TV. You can change it to something that maybe looks nicer. So what you need to do is to take your remote control. You're going to press the home button on the top right corner. So we are on this page, and on the left side menu, we need to go down and select settings. All right, press OK. And now go down and select theme. Press OK again. And now we have multiple choices. You can go in wallpapers, the first one, press OK. And now by going up and down, you'll be able to select multiple of them. I mean, there is a few of them you can choose over here. When you see dynamic, you see on the top left corner here, dynamic, some of them don't have it. It simply means that there will be things moving in the frame. So over here, there's snowflakes that may fall in the background. Over here, some leaves, stuff of this nature. So once you choose one of these, let's say I want this one with butterflies, I'll select it, press OK, get wallpaper, press OK, agree, press OK, wait a few seconds. Your TV needs to be connected to the Wi-Fi. And at the end, you need to select Set Wallpaper. Select OK. And now you see it has changed. If I go on the home screen by pressing the home button, here we go. I have a brand new wallpaper, and since it's dynamic, I have some stuff going on the background, some animations. And yeah, this is about it. You can change this very easily between them. It only takes a few seconds. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, but also comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.